me to buy. Please don't bash me. How I do. Palapit. Hindi tayo ang init. Init tayo ang init. May 20 pesos ako. Init. Init. 20 pesos. Init. Ay, sarado. Guys. Nahihiya ako doon, guys. Kasi mas tao ulo ko ganito lang ako na outfit. Ayun. May sledge allergy na ako. So, mamaya pupunta tayo, mga gosh. Sorry na guys, nga may allergy ata. Uy. Sorry naman 20 pesos ko. Gold. So, mamaya na guys. Ito yung bahay namin. Ayan yung bahay namin. Bawal kami mag-TikTok dyan. Pero dito, hindi. Sa labas lang. So, dito kami natutulog. Bawal doon. Kasi may mga basita doon. Dyan. So, stay tuned for part 2 later. Bye.
You shouldn't be talking louder than a whisper. Step 1, take the mirror and place it on the floor. Now you're supposed to put it directly under the light on your ceiling, and the mirror should be facing up on the floor. Step 2, tie a long thread around the bar of chocolate and suspend it from the light on your ceiling.
Different meals for Lisa. Worried that Lisa might choke on fish balls, she painstakingly removed them one by one, seeing that Lisa always hated small bites. She immediately scooped up a large spoonful and fed it to her. The old house that she had refused to sell at any price was now being sold in a hurry for Lisa's future. Besides taking care of her daily needs, Grandma even gave a pile of gifts to Lisa's teacher for her studies, hoping to teach her.
Let me just put safety with you.
Everything seemed to be heading in a good direction. Grandma scolded the person and refused to believe her.